Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl, the great TayeTaye, and in today's video I will be showing you how I was able to bleach this wig from black to honey brown with a bit of gold highlights. That's the wig we'll be working with today. For this process, we will be using the 40 volume developer. We'll also be using the BW2 powder lightener. We will be using the Dark and Lovely permanent hair color number 384. You'll also need a pair of gloves. You'll need a container. Everything that I'll be using, I'll put it in the description bar below. So don't worry, I got you. I got you. So guys, I'm not sure what happened here. I thought I was recording, but apparently it wasn't recording. But anyways, I mixed the powder lightener with the 40 volume developer. So that's what that is. And just ensure that your mixture it's not too thick and not too watery. Just the wig we'll be using today, it's our Oh Honey Brazilian Body Wave wig. It's from my company Dash 27. It's a pre-ordered wig sewn with sewing machine. Details of the wig will be in the description bar below. As you can see, I'm just putting the hair in sections because I don't want the hair to be in my way when I'm adding the mixture to the hair. As you can see, I'm just taking very small parts of the hair from the front, and that's where I want my highlight. So that's the area I will be adding the mixture first. So you get the concept, guys. I'm adding the bleach to small areas, mainly towards the front of the wig. Okay, at this point, you guys must be wondering, what the heck is she doing? Don't worry, guys, trust the process. So at this point, I'm just adding the rest of the mixture to the areas at the back and parting it through and just adding it, ensure that it's thoroughly added, and you don't want it to just be on the top of the hair because it's just gonna look weird. You don't want the top to be bleached and then underneath the hair it's still black. So we let it sit for about 45 minutes, and this is what it looks like after. So we're just removing the aluminum foil. So we just finished washing the mixture out of the wig, and this is what it looks like, guys. So because I was going for a more honey brown shade, right now I'll be adding the permanent hair color to the entire wig. You want to ensure that the color is thoroughly added throughout the hair. So what you want to do is you want to part the hair in sections. You add the color and then you comb it through. You part another section, you add more color, and then you comb it through, and so on and so forth. The aim is to ensure the entire wig is saturated with the permanent hair color, just like this. So I let it sit for about an hour before I shampoo. So this is what the hair looks like, guys, after it's dried. And right now I'm gonna add some curls to this bad boy. Stay tuned. Yes, honey, yes. You better work, girl. I love it. It's exactly how I wanted it. I absolutely love it. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you think this method was super easy. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, as I have lots more videos in store for you. Stay blessed and keep motivated. Thanks for watching.